Welcome to our Brave Adventure. Today we're diving into the fascinating world inside your skull, a place where homeostasis keeps everything balanced, so your brain can do its amazing work. Today your brain has a bustling metropolis, which countless tiny proteins helping to keep things running smoothly, especially when it comes to managing glucose, the sweet fuel your neurons need to fire on all cylinders. Now these neurons and epithelial cells form a protective barrier called the brain barrier. Imagine it as a vigilant security team made up of specialized epithelial cells guarding the central nervous system from unwanted invaders. One of their secret weapons, aquaporin 4, a cool water channel protein that helps regulate water movement, ensuring the brain stays hydrated and balanced. Beneath this barrier lies the interstitial fluid, the brain's own river that bathes the cells, carrying nutrients and removing waste. This fluid floats in the capillary interstitial space, where ion concentration, sodium, and potassium are kept in perfect harmony by an energetic protein called ATPase. Think of ATPase as the brain's tiny barrier pole, tirelessly working to keep ions in check so nerve signals can zip back and forth without a hitch. Speaking of signals, the brain's ventricles are fluid-filled cavities are like the brain's pumping system. The outer ventricles are the main reservoirs, while the third ventricle connects the midbrain aqueduct, now canal that channels cerebrospinal fluid through the brainstem and into the fourth ventricle. But what happens when the system hits a snag? Conditions like idiopathic normal pressure hydrocephalus come into play. Despite the name, the intraventricular pressure may be normal, but excess CSF can cause ventricles to enlarge, putting pressure on surrounding tissues. In the deeper parts of the brain, the thalamus act like relay stations transmitting signals from sensory organs to the cerebral cortex. The mesencephalon, pons, and medulla oblongata form the brainstem, our brain's autopilot controlling vital functions like breathing and heart rate. And within the brain's architecture, you have the choroidal arteries, tiny blood vessels that supply the ventricles with blood. The choroid plexus, where the specialized epithelium produces CSF, maintain the delicate balance needed for brain health. But the brain isn't just a hard shell; it has glial lymphatic circulation, its own cleanup crew, helping clear waste and keep the environment pristine. Neurotrophins are like growth fertilizers for the brain. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, growth factor, neurotrophin 3, and neurotrophin 4 are proteins that promote neuron survival. So whether it's managing ion concentrations, balancing CSF flow, or nurturing neurons with neurotrophins, your brain's homeostasis is a finely tuned orchestra. Understanding these processes helps scientists and doctors find ways to treat hydrocephalus, stroke, and other neurological conditions, keeping our brains city running smoothly. And there you have it. It's a quick tour of your brain's incredible complex world. Remember, beneath that cranium lies a marvel of biology, always working behind the scenes to keep you thinking, feeling, and moving. Stay curious.